Welcome to the channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. See the description below for everything else that you might need to take your trading to the next level. So, a question that was asked on a previous video is, what are the best days of the week to trade Forex? The following is my opinion, and feel free to disagree in the comments section below. The best times of the week to trade Forex are related to market volatility. The greater the price movements, the better opportunities you will have to generate profits. The market starts with low volatility levels on Sunday and gradually increases throughout Monday. On Tuesday, volatility peaks, before falling again on Wednesday. Surprisingly, volatility surges again on Thursday, peaking higher on this day. Friday maintains relatively high volatility, before suddenly falling as stock markets around the globe close for the weekend. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are the best days for Forex trading due to higher volatility. During the middle of the week, the currency market sees the most trading action. The weekday that scores highest in terms of volatility is Thursday, closely followed by Friday. The market will give you more opportunities to generate profits when it shows higher levels of volatility. If your trading strategy is based on high price fluctuations, trade on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and stay active in the third season of the year. If you want to learn more about trading the markets, watch the other videos on this channel. I'm sure you will learn a lot about trading from them. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos.